5 ways to kill difficulties in your life. Sure, here are 5 ways to tackle and overcome difficulties in your life. 1. Positive mindset and resilience. Cultivate a positive attitude and resilience. Believe in your ability to overcome challenges and view difficulties as opportunities for growth. Practice gratitude, mindfulness, and affirmations to maintain a constructive outlook. 2. Problem-solving skills. Develop and refine your problem-solving skills. Break down problems into smaller, manageable parts. Identify possible solutions. Weigh their pros and cons, and take decisive action. Stay flexible and be willing to adjust your approach as needed. 3. Seek support. Don't hesitate to reach out for help when needed. Surround yourself with supportive friends, family, mentors, or professional counselors who can provide guidance, encouragement, and different perspectives on the difficulties you face. 4. Self-care and well-being. Prioritize your physical, emotional, and mental well-being. Regular exercise, a healthy diet, adequate sleep, and activities that bring you joy and relaxation can boost your resilience and ability to handle stress. 5. Continuous learning and adaptation. Embrace a mindset of continuous learning and adaptability. Stay open to new ideas, acquire